Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to convert multiple layers to one PNG in Figma. This is incredibly useful when you need to export several design elements as a single image file, whether you're sharing mockups with clients or preparing assets for your website. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, go ahead and open your Figma file. Once you're in, you'll need to select all the layers you want to include in your final PNG export. To do this, hold down the Shift key and click on each element you want, either directly on the canvas or by selecting them in the Layers panel on the left side of your screen. This multi-select feature allows you to grab everything you need in one go, making the process much more efficient. After you've selected all your desired layers, right-click on any of the selected elements. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, look for and select Group Selection. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+G on Windows or Command+G on Mac to group them instantly. Grouping your layers is essential because it combines all those individual elements into one single unit, which is exactly what we need for exporting them as one cohesive image. Now that your layers are grouped together, shift your attention to the design panel on the right side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing and exporting your designs. Scroll down to the very bottom of this panel until you find the Export section. This is where Figma gives you control over how you want to save and share your work. In the Export section, you'll see a plus icon next to the export header. Click on this plus icon to add a new export setting. Once you click it, a drop-down menu will appear showing different file format options. From this drop-down, select PNG as your desired format. PNG is perfect for maintaining image quality while keeping file sizes reasonable, and it supports transparency if your design needs it. Finally, you'll notice a button that says Export Group, followed by the name of your grouped layers. Click this button to download your PNG file. Figma will process your export and save it directly to your computer's Downloads folder. Once the download completes, open the file to verify that all your layers have been properly combined into one single PNG image, and that everything looks exactly as you intended. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.